Hey guys, it's Taylor. Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new, welcome. So today I'm going to be showing you guys this easy, everyday, soft glam look. A lot of you guys have been requesting this, which this is super different for me, especially never wear lashes. So I'm going to be showing you guys an easy soft glam look with lashes and then without lashes. It's the same look, just with and without lashes, so you can kind of see the difference. If you just kind of like wearing mascara every day, it's super simple. So yeah, if you guys want to know how I got this look, just keep on watching. Let's get right into the video. I usually start off my makeup routine using the Celestial Moisturizer by Lush. I love this because it's especially good for dry skin, and my skin is always hella dry. So basically I just put that all over my face and make sure that it's really hydrated before I put on the foundation. So I'm taking the MAC Studio Fix SPF 15 foundation. I use this foundation every day. I really like this because it's really buildable. You can make it full coverage or you can make it really light coverage. It's totally up to you. So it's totally buildable, and that's why I really like this. Obviously, my skin is alright right now. I don't really need to cake it on, but I still like to make my skin look as good as it can, so the concealer I've been using recently is the Tarte Shape Tape. I really love this. It's really good for cut creases, but specifically I do like it for brightening my under eyes, so I'm just concealing my face, basically. So I really like the small beauty blenders for blending in my concealer because it really gets into every crevice and area, so these are really handy. For brows, I always take the Anastasia Dip Brow Pomade in Blonde. I absolutely love this. You guys know that I literally never use anything else on my brows. And I'm just taking the little small angled brush. I forget what number it is, but you get it from Sephora. I think that it's honestly the best brow brush, so that's what I do, and I'm filling them in. I did just get them threaded, so the shape is still pretty good, but I just like to darken them up a bit. And to bake, I use the MAC Prep and Prime Translucent Setting Powder. I really like this. I feel like there's not a lot of flashback with this, but you do have to wipe it away, really good. Or there will be remnants of it. Then I'm just taking the James Charles palette as usual, and I am taking this light tan beige neutral color. Wow, that was a lot. I forget the name of it, but I'm just putting that on my eyelid. So then I'm taking this brown shade and I'm putting this in my crease, and I'm taking this brush, this blending brush by Mikasa, I think that's how you say it, and I'm just making it a very neutral kind of eyeshadow look, very natural. So it's super simple. So I'm taking that first shade from before and I'm just going over it and blending it in with the darker shade in my crease. So I'm going to be doing this really soft brown eyeshadow using this one and the e.l.f. small angled brush. This one's really good. It was literally $4, and it's honestly one of the best eyeliner brushes I've ever used. So I really recommend, but I'm basically just, doing a nice natural eyeliner using brown eyeshadow. I really like this for a soft glam look. It's super easy to do and it looks really cute. So I'm just taking concealer with a concealer brush and I'm just sharpening it up to make it more sharp. So I'm creating a wing in the inner corner of my eye, basically with the same eyeliner and same brush. I'm just making it really pointy but really thin, so it looks like it has that elongated effect. And I really like this also for a soft glam look. I think it looks really cute. And then underneath as well, I'm just adding the same brown eyeshadow to deepen up the eye a bit. Now I'm just going to wipe away the powder. Like I said before, you have to wipe it away really good or it kind of sticks to your face. So I'm just using one of these brushes. It works really good to do that, so yeah. So for mascara, I'm taking the Falsies Lash Lift by Maybelline. I've only used this mascara twice. I kind of like it if I'm not wearing lashes. It does add quite a lot of volume on my bare, ugly ass, non-looking ass eyelashes. Literally, like, that's on not having eyelashes, so this is a really weird thing for me to not wear lashes, but I'm doing this for the sake of this video, so enjoy. For contour, I'm taking the Studio Fix Contour Palette by MAC, taking these two shades right here, and I am just bronzing my face and my nose because I can't afford a nose job, so. So for this look, I'm going to be using blush, so I'm taking the Morphe 9B palette, and I'm taking this really nice pink shade. It's not too bright, but it's not too subtle, but it's not too, like, out there, if that makes any sense whatsoever. But yeah, I'm putting that on my cheekbones and then on the tip of my nose because I heard that's cute. I don't know. Then I'm taking the MAC Prep and Prime Fix Plus, and this is scented lavender. They have a bunch of different scents, but I really like the scent of lavender, so I chose this one. And then I'm taking the Highlight Double Gleam Extra Dimension Skin Finish by MAC. This one, I use it every day, and I obviously sprayed way too much setting spray. I just put setting spray before I highlight, so it makes it extra glowy. I'm also adding highlight just on my brow bone because I really like the look of this. So I'm taking the MAC lip liner, it's called Whirl, and I really like this. I'm mixing it with MAC Honey Love. This is the nude lipstick that is my favorite that I wear every day. So for lining my lips, I usually outline my Cupid's bow and then all the way down to the outer corners of my lips, and then the bottom I like scribble in the middle. I don't know, I feel like that helps like blend it a bit. Alright, so this is the finished look. I'm just fixing my hair. As you can see, I look like a naked mole rat without lashes, but it's fine because I kind of dig it. So now I'm going to show you what the look looks like with lashes. So I'm using lashes in a box. I don't know the number. I think they're number 31, and I really like these. So yeah, I'm trying to attempt to apply the lashes on camera, and you guys will be actually surprised. I get really proud of myself because I actually do it. Fucking look at this. Well, it looks like shit right now, but when they're on, like, holy shit, I actually did them on camera for once. You guys know that I literally never film me putting on lashes. So to blend the lashes with my normal lashes, I am taking the Snapscara by Maybelline New York. I do like this because it's very black and it does blend really well with these lashes. So this is the finished look with lashes. Let me know what you guys think. I really like how this turned out. It's super natural and really glowy. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video.